Hi everyone, Matthew here with Dr. G in Technology, and today is Tech Talk time. So every now and then we'll do a video that goes over something technical that can help you in your IT career. Today it happens to be about creating presentations using virtual backgrounds, specifically with a tool that we've been playing with to create some of these videos, as you'll see with this video. And before we get too deep, certainly let us know what you think below. Tell us what you like, what you don't like. That way we can alter our content for you to best help you through your IT journey. Also, click the like button and the subscribe button. That way you can be alerted to any new videos that come out, content to help you through your IT career. And lastly, go over and join the IT Village, where you'll see myself over there. It's a group of other IT professionals and newbies, career changers, all coming into IT. And it's a place where you can get help with any questions you may have that you don't want to ask here in the comments, but you might want some other career advice. So on to today's topic, which is Prezi presentations. At the moment, you cannot create a virtual background in Prezi like you can in Zoom automatically, or Teams, Webex, any of the other software, presentation software, and that's just definitely become the norm, in any kind of presentation software now, or collaboration software, especially with so many people working from home. So, Prezi is a tool that I've used, a long time ago. I brought it back with its recording features. I have this up right now on purpose because I want to introduce you to kind of a multi-tool situation that will help you create virtual backgrounds. So I did some research, and through Prezi's technical support, realized after about 2 days of hunting that there really was no way to do a virtual background at the moment with their software. I mean, yes, you can import a presentation from Prezi into Zoom, but if you wanted to do it, as natively as possible, you still needed some other tool. And so I decided to try a different route here, one that would allow me to create, if I wasn't doing a video conference, but I just wanted to use Prezi to record a video without the video conferencing tools like Zoom, which is what I was doing. How could I do it? Well, I discovered two ways to do it. One of which I'll go over here, and that's the use of Snapchat's Snap Camera. Why? Because this one is free. The other option I found was that you need to purchase, and this is all without needing any kind of green screen technology, anything of that nature. And so that's kind of what the logo looks like for Snap Camera. So I'm gonna stop recording me and start sharing my screen here. We'll kind of fumble around this. I've already downloaded it, and we'll create a mini presentation from scratch just so that you can see the virtual background. So that's the goal here, right, is to create the virtual background. So let's go over to sharing my screen. So here I am looking a bit differently, and that's because I have Snap Camera enabled. So what you see here is a virtual camera feeding into your live camera. So that's what Snap Camera is. And it will feed into any camera that you have, whether it's your webcam, an external Logitech camera, whatever you're using. So right now, what you're seeing on my screen here is Snap Camera itself. I've got a filter on right now. You can kind of play around with any of these. The main reason why I chose this and started playing around with it was because of the background features. Again, the whole goal, purpose of this video was to find some virtual backgrounds or just other backgrounds that I could play with in recording. So the one that I like, you can certainly pick whatever ones you want here. And once you like ones, you'll see the star here at the upper corner of each one of them. You can click it out to favorites. The favorite I like is right here, which is one that blurs my background, and it's been really useful in terms of its functionality. So we'll stop this. We'll actually go into a live presentation and then see how that one works. All right, so here we are, our final step. We're actually in Prezi recording. You can see my background is a virtual background because it's reading the Snapchat camera, which you can see if you look right here in this drop down. Instead of selecting my front screen on my laptop, I'm selecting the Snap camera. Once I do that, it pulls in the virtual camera, and off we go with creating our presentation that can be a lot more professional without the background. So hopefully you like this video. Again, leave us your comments below, and we'll see you on the next one.
As a reminder, click the like button, leave us your comments, let us know what you'd like to hear more of. Also, click the subscribe button and the bell button so that you're immediately alerted anytime a new video is published. Be sure to join our IT Village, which is the link to communicate with others within our YouTube channel over on our platform so that you can get answers to your questions. And lastly, in the upper right corner of our YouTube channel, click the free download of How Much Can I Make in IT?